Call the case of the people versus Terrence Robinson.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Robinson, who's appearing to my right. Mr. Robinson, could you please state your name for the record?
Terrence Robinson. My mother is here too.
Your Honor, my client has decided that he would like to exercise his right to a preliminary exam.
Well, they don't have a problem setting a preliminary examination. Counsel approach.
Yes, Your Honor. I want you to read this. I want you to understand what he's going to talk to you about.
Like I said, I didn't.
Okay, so here's part of the problem.
Those are terms of probation for guilty people.
Okay, Mr. Robbins,
Don't talk unless the judge talks.
you're gonna need to be quiet now. Okay. All right. So I gave you a copy of the bond violation report, and the bond violation report indicates that the defendant was placed on the tether per court order. And hasn't been keeping it charged. There's also an indication that he was released from the jail, and the jail nor community correction staff knew that he was to be placed on a GPS tether. However, no court documents spoke and they were released. So the issue, my staff thinks, but we don't know, may have really been our communication system that from arraignment would have sent those documents to the various agencies.
Understand.
Okay, so that may have been it, and why when the request for the warrant came over, I did not sign it because I wasn't sure. I mean, I could see it in the file, but I did not have a narrative of what allegedly transpired. Okay, so I'm not going to find a violation or anything, and I don't have a problem. He wants it set for preliminary examination.
He does, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Robinson, here's going to be the problem, and I can overhear you when you were talking up there. Whether or not I put you on it or not is, in certain respects, irrelevant. A judicial officer has ordered you on the GPS tether. So what I'm going to suggest to you is that you comply with that order. Okay?
I will, because you told me.
Okay. So you got to make sure to put that on, have it charged.
Okay.
You got it? So I don't want it. So I'm just going to be blunt with you. I don't want to get a report saying he doesn't have a charge, because now I know I told you. Okay, and you can be mad with me if you want, but you know how I am. If people get mad with me, I don't care. Okay.
I don't get mad.
Okay. So then the next thing is, so I want you to do that. Now, the next thing is, and what I'm worried about, you haven't been taking anything, have you?
I've been going into recovery, and during this process, I have fell off the bandwagon. So
You did what?
I have fell off the bandwagon. I've been trying to get into recovery. I was at the hospital going into Home of New Vision. They wouldn't let me in there because I didn't have my meds. The jail took my meds. They won't let me in there because I don't have my proper prescriptions to come in there. And when I tell you it's been a runaround.
Okay. All right. Hold on a second. So here's what I hear you saying to me. Okay. And you tell me if I'm wrong. You're supposed to be on certain medications. You're not on those medications right now because for whatever the reason is, you don't have access to them. Right? Okay. So now do you get those medications through your doctor, or are you with CMH?
CMH.
You're with CMH?
What is CMH?
Community Mental Health.
Yes.
Yes. That's okay. So that's where you get those, right?
Yes, and to save a long story, it's there's a problem with my insurance and all this type of stuff. But I'm still working on that. But the jail would have just gave me a minute.
Okay, hold on. Just
Nothing all right.
Red, let's do this. Let's step away from trying to blame anybody. Let's get you back on your meds if you can. How about that? Fair enough?
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
So it's you. Ken.
It's 100%.
No, it is
It's
100%.
100% me.
It is you. Everything was going fine my whole day,
It was.
and then you. Yeah. All right.
Your
So-
Honor, is there a way for me to go to the jail to get his meds? Will they release his?
I don't.
To me?
I don't know what the jail has done with
So
those.
the problem is apparently they had just been refilled in their psychotropics, so.
And so he can't. Right. Okay. So I don't know.
Okay,
And what I'd suggest that you do is you call jail, see what. No. I know you called the jail. I'm gonna have other people
No.
call.
I got something else for you.
Okay.
Permission to speak?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I talked to my brother Andrew Robinson, the sheriff. He talked to the captain. The captain told me exactly what I was supposed to do. The captain of Washtenaw County. I'll go fishing, whatever, don't matter. But they said to tell them I have identifiable meds. So I have to call him again. But he said if I don't say it like that,
Okay. All right.
I understand what I'm
Just
saying.
Just listen.
I'm gonna,
Why don't we do this? I'm gonna let your attorney work on that.
we'll
Okay.
we'll do it together today, okay?
Oh,
Okay. Because maybe she doesn't have to say the same things that you say.
okay.
Okay. So we're gonna do that. And then because of we need a new order.
I did verify that, yes.
Yeah, okay. So that hasn't been charged.
That I don't know. I
No,
mean,
he
like
hasn't
monetarily
charged
wise.
it. He hasn't charged
Okay,
Oh, probably.
it. Like,
He hasn't gone.
and okay. So I'm gonna let your attorney check into that, see if they can get it back. You have a worker with CMH?
Yes.
Have you okay. Have you talked to them?
Yes. But
Okay.
I'm telling you. This tether right here is giving me a hard time.
No, the tether's not giving you a hard time.
Okay, well then maybe it's not the tether.
No, it's not.
Me not having my meds.
That's
I
what's that I got you.
cannot.
That's what's giving you a hard time.
So
So-
it's causing me to come back out into a world that I've been long far away from.
I hear you. So that's why what I want to do first and foremost is I want to get you back, see if we can get you back on your meds. Okay? So I don't want you worrying about the tether. Don't let that bother you. If you get angry with the tether, then get angry with me. Okay? Because I'm putting it on you and we're going to sign a new order so that happens. Here's what I want you to do. So Ms. Cannon, you're going to try to check into that and
it's my last case, Your Honor. I'm going to go address it now.
okay. So we're gonna try to see what we can do for you on that end, okay? Make sure to give Miss Cannon who your CMH worker is, so that she can reach, that's Miss Cannon, okay? So that she can reach out if she needs to that person, as well as talk to the sheriff's department and see about this other thing, okay? All right. But one thing I want you to do is I also want you to get yourself over to community corrections and make sure your tether unit's working. Okay. Now, Mr. Robinson, your counsel's asked me to set this for a preliminary examination. Is that what you want right away, or you want me to adjourn it out a couple weeks and see where we are and sort of monitor where your meds are and stuff like that, and then make a decision what to do with your case?
A speedy trial. Because this was very.
Okay, I don't want you talking about the case itself.
A speedy trial.
Okay, so you want, all right. So let's do this then. And Miss Cannon, your discovery is complete.
Your Honor, this is actually Attorney Feaster's case, and I'm so happy he shared it with me. And he told me
You
to,
know, a little bit more sincerity in your voice. would be great.
he told me to
Go
set
ahead.
it for preliminary exam, so I'm going to have to.
Oh,
set
that's
the
what
best
he
of my
instructed. Okay,
knowledge that
That's
the
fine.
case is ready to move forward.
all right. And would the people be able to have their witnesses available the 25th?
Yes, Your Honor, we'll do our best, and
All
I'd
right.
just like to address one matter before we're all done.
Okay, that's fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you your preliminary examination, okay? I'll set it in person, February 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna set that before me,
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
okay? And then, yes.
Your Honor, thank you. As I indicated at the bench, I have some concerns in the moment about whether or not there's an impairment in play also. I understand we've discussed mental health issues that may be in play, strangulation, heard wings, or your next certainly endeavoring to address all these issues. I'm worried we're going to have somebody walking out of the courtroom that doesn't have a tether on them. Probably has mental health issues in play and may or may not also be impaired. At least order test maybe. Or
I am going to order So let me ask you this.
I wanted to treat you, Your Honor.
No, just listen. Listen to me, okay? Because I'm going to need you to do some things. All right? I'm going to ask you a question. I just need you to be honest with me.
Yes.
All right? If I send you over now for a drug test,
I'm gonna drop dirty, sir.
you're going to drop dirty.
Yes.
Okay. Let me ask you
That's
this.
it.
Hold on. Just hold on.
Ms. Robinson.
What's going to show up in your system?
Cocaine. It would be cocaine. It would probably be alcohol from last night. And it would probably also be, I did get it, but I'm prescribed that.
Okay. So let's do this.
And Suboxone probably be there too.
What do you say?
I'm prescribed Suboxone. So I'm staying away from.
Hold on a second. So you're prescribed Suboxone.
Yes. So what I am doing is what do you call it? I'm self-medicating because
Yeah, I know.
I can't get my meds.
Okay.
This is not, I don't do this. That's not what I do.
Okay. All right. So didn't necessarily expect all of that.
I'm gonna keep it real.
So, Mr. Robinson, here's what I'm gonna do. We got to change the plan. Okay, I'm just gonna let you know. Because now I'm really worried about you. Okay.
I need my.
No, you need to listen to me.
Don't take me to jail.
Huh?
You really about to put me in jail? I'm going to
Tell me, hold on.
I'm going to go through everything.
Mr. Robbins. Mr. Robbins.
Home and New Vision is waiting for me right now. Once I get my meds, and you can, this is all verified.
So just listen. Listen. Here's the way I'll do it. I am gonna
Do not arrest me.
just listen. Listen to me. Because I don't want to make this any more difficult than it has to be. Mr. Robbins.
I'm listening.
Now, here's what I want you to do. I'm going to have my bailiff take you in. I'm going to ask counsel to call, just listen. I'm going to have your counsel contact Home and New Vision. If they tell me what you said and we can get your meds, then I'm going to let you right out and let you get there.
Yeah, long as.
Okay? I don't know.
I swear before the court, Your Honor.
Mr. Robbins.
A bid for me.
Mr. Robinson.
I don't want to go in that motherfucker. Shit.
Okay.
Sorry.
I ain't going to
Sorry.
take those words.
I apologize.
My bailiff's gonna take you, we're gonna check on some things and figure out, go with my, Mr. Robbins, just go with my bailiff. Because if you make it difficult, we're gonna have a real problem.
Actually, remember, you can drop me. I'm probably clean. That was a good.
Yeah, okay, we'll figure it out.